Section 5.6 Models involving rational expressions. We will solve for word problems using the rational equation we learned in section 5.5. Now we look at the general idea. For example, if it takes t units of time to complete a job, then 1 over t of the job is done in 1 unit of time. For example, if it takes you 2 hours to do your homework, it means that you complete 1 over 2 of homework in 1 hour. So we notice that how many hours for you to finish the homework is 2 hours. Then in 1 hour you will finish 1/2 of the homework. For example, if you say it takes you 3 hours to do the homework, then you complete 1/3 of the homework in 1 hour. Example number 1 is Saturday and Kevin needs to cut and edge the grass. At 9 a.m., Michael asks Kevin to go golfing at 11 a.m. Typically, it takes Kevin 3 hours to cut and edge the grass. When Michael cuts and edges the grass, it takes 4 hours. If they work together, will they be able to finish the lawn and still make the golf date? Now we're going to look at one by one person. First of all, let's look at Kevin. Kevin can finish the job in 3 hours. So first of all, we look at Kevin. It takes 3 hours to cut and edge the grass. Now we want to looking for the job in 1 hour. It means he completes 1/3 of the job in 1 hour. Now we look at the we look at the Michael. Michael, it takes him 4 hours, right? So it takes 4 hours to cut and edge the grass. It means he completes 1/4 of the job in 1 hour. What if they work together? So together, and we don't know what time that they finish. How long does it take them to finish together? So we're gonna call T. So we assume that it takes T hours to cut and edge the grass. It means that they complete 1 over T of the job in 1 hour. So we are looking at the job for each person and the job for together. If the job of each person plus together plus the job from Michael and Kevin together have to be equal to job that together. Now the job of Kevin is 1/3. The job for Michael will be 1/4. And the job together is 1/t. I better write 1/3 and 1/4 in this way so that it's easier for us to solve. We have t is the variable and it is in the denominator. So we recall from the section before we want to solve for the rational equation contain a fraction. Then we will get rid of the fraction. We will multiply both sides by the LCD, which is 12t. And then we will distribute the 12t. We will get 4t plus 3t equal 12. Then 7t equal 12. T equal 12 divided by 7. So we use the calculator. We divide and we will get approximately 1.714. Do you remember what do we call the t? T is the hours. It takes both of them to work together. So if they help each other, it will take them like about close to 2, but it's not 2 yet, right? So we conclude that it takes 1.7 hours for them to cut and age the crust. Now we answer the question. If they work together, will they be able to finish the loan and still make the gov date? So we know that if they work together, it will take them less than 2 hours to finish. But you look at the given information. At 2 a.m., Michael asked Kevin to go golfing at 11. So that means 2 hours later. If they work together, they will finish before 11. Then they can go golfing together, right? So we answer the question that they will be able to finish the loan and still make the golf date.